Man, I'm out of breath. We're up here at the Air Force, the old Air Force Hospital, the new Clark National Museum, right? National Clark Museum, the museum. Told you guys I'd get up here one more time before I left, and I'm up here. I'm actually up on the rooftop. I think I came up here one time just to kind of see what was going on. This is all new roofing here. What I mean by roofing, there was a yellow styrofoam insulation that was on here. They tore all that off and they put this white roofing type material up here. I don't really see too much going on up here. I don't even know what they plan to do up here. But I figured I would start our little grand tour up here on the rooftop and work our way down. I mean, they got the scaffolding up, so they must be doing something. This is it right here. This material is what they put on the roof. So I apologize for the wind, but we are, like I said, on the rooftop here. So you guys see the roof and what's going on. Somebody claimed there was a heliport on the roof here. No, there was not a heliport on the roof. Some of the things you hear, some of the stories you hear, that's I'm sure there was some type of stairs to get up there at one point, but yeah, the things you hear. So anyways, we are going to, I don't know what this is, the elevator. Yep, yeah, it's the elevator shaft here. I don't know how well you can see up in there. I guess that's the pulley, the counterweights. But guys, I'm just gonna walk. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling. We're gonna go floor to floor, so you guys can see all what's going on. This is a drain pipe. It's here. So let's go. Let's start this. Let's start our tour. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful view up here. Marriott, Swiss Hotel. Out there in the distance is Mount Arayat. Right there, that's Lily Hill. It's just a beautiful view up here. Oh, there's Lit. There's a beautiful view of Lit. Oh, yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, I will be careful. Because I can remember coming in this hospital. You couldn't even walk on these stairs. There was so much debris from just years of just stuff falling down, and you name it. But they've cleaned the walls off. You can see they have yet to wrap these pillars, concrete structures, in the fiber wrap. They haven't done that up here yet. They have these fiber strips down here. That's what they are. Bone Thugs and Harmony, baby. Jeez, these walls used to be just loaded full of graffiti. Here's your elevator shafts. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I remember first time I came in here, and it was cool. The graffiti was actually pretty cool. They've cleaned all that off these walls. Few little spots here and there. I hear a goat, right? There it is. I'm just going to jump from floor to floor here. Let me come out here and get a little view here. That's a siren going off. At one time these were stairs here, obviously, as you can see. That went from here to there, up to the rooftop. Probably a fire exit of some nature. Fire stairwell, I would say. All right, we're just going to jump on the stairway here This was your hospital ward where the patients were held, where they recovered. Those are your bathroom stalls all the way down through. And these were your patient rooms through here. Probably your nurse's station up through here. But we're just going to work our way down. There's some tile still. It's amazing. It's not video. There's not photos. Well, there's a good graffiti over there. I'll shoot from a distance. But there's no video of what the hospital looked like inside. There's no photos of what the hospital looked like inside. Unless the military has it, I haven't seen any. Very, very tiny, tiny little bit of inside the hospital. To Save a Soldier was a video that was put out, and they showed a little bit of inside the hospital, but nothing. And pre-91, when Pinatubo exploded, I think there were video recorders, handheld video recorders. I've seen videos of people when they were on Clark, stationed here, photos, but nothing of the hospital. Yeah, they haven't made their way here yet. I'm just looking here, these holes. It's all open. You wonder what was here at one time, because it starts from way up here, goes all the way down to the very bottom, to the lower level. I wonder what was in here. It's not the elevator. The elevators are over here. So something fed up through there to every single floor. Skier? Spear?
Spear.
Spear. All right, to the next floor we go. Strictly no smoking. All right, don't smoke. Some stairwells have, that's goat crap right there, because I know there's goats running around. Some stairwells have fared better than other stairwells. I said these were your recovery rooms. These were the rooms where patients came, they stayed here in their room. You know what I'm saying? Like the old, like any hospital. Patients go through surgery or whatever, and boom, they come up here. I always wonder where the birthing, what do they call it? Maternity? Is it maternity look? Birthing room?
Right.
Or where the babies were? The area where the nursery. There it is, the nursery. I wonder what floor was the nursery, because I'm sure there was a nursery floor, because I know babies were born here at the hospital. I've had subscribers say, hey, my daughter was born there, my son was born there, I worked there. So there is definitely a nursery here, was a nursery here in this old hospital. Don't know where it is, don't know where it was, don't know what floor it was. I would imagine they had one floor, or part of a floor designated strictly for, babies, right? Don't know where it was. All right, let's head down another step. Are you getting hot yet, Lut? Are you hot? Buhay, what?
Buhay ni leg.
What's that mean? I don't know.
Life of leg.
I don't know. Slayer. All right.
Buhay.
J something here.
Buhay is Life.
Roscoe. Mabuhay.
Buhay is life.
Life.
Life. Buhay. My life.
My life. All right. Lamb of God. The Lamb of God. Once again, let me see. I don't think this was a recovery floor. Reason being, you don't see any showers that go through here. You don't see any rods up top showing, you know, where a room was. I do want to go over here. I want to show you this over here. Somebody mentioned this the last time I was in here. I can't get a confirmation on it. The general contractor, every time I come in, is on break. I come in on break time. They're all on break and they're all on lunch and everything like that. The general contractor I haven't talked to, he goes, he runs, he hides, he sleeps, you know, whatever. But somebody brought this to my attention out here. Let me work my way out here on the roof. Here's the rooftop here with that white sheeting they put down. Somebody mentioned this to me about this area right over here. Let me get out of that water. What am I? I didn't even see that water. This area right here. All right. All these brackets here, all the way down through. Let me get over here so you get a better look. All these brackets, you see them? They're all lined down through here, all the way down through here. Somebody pointed this out and it does make sense. Correct me. Well, there's nobody to correct me if I'm wrong because general contractor's not around. I'm thinking, come over here and show you this view. I'm thinking, and somebody pointed this out, solar panels all through here. Those are the brackets to hold the solar panels. That's what I'm thinking. Check out this back dock area here. It's your back dock. All right, let's get back inside here. I don't want to. Now I can see the water. I couldn't see the water the other way. Let me show you this over here quick. See, there might be a restaurant they're putting up here. Somewhere where you can sit and talk and hang out and grab some food. But here, they blew this out here. They blew this roof out right here. And this is finally completed. Well, yeah, appears to be completed. I'll get a better view when I go down further. Stairwells. This stairwell goes down to the main floor, as I call it, the main floor, and then there it shoots down to the bottom floor. But this looks like this is completed. This will probably be a main stairwell to get up to the top here. From what I'm told, the top area is going to be offices and things like that. But this is one floor up. This is a third. We're on the third floor right now. Because you got the basement, as I call the basement, the main floor, and then this, we're going up. So this is what I consider the third floor. What was done up here, I don't know. Once again, I don't know. You guys as subscribers have definitely helped me out and let me know different things, but I don't know all of it. But you see it. Let me shoot over here real quick. I said, this may be a long video. Here's your rooftop here. Out there's your main entrance coming in. We'll get out there, I'll show you that. All right, but we're ready to go down to the other floor, as I call it, the main floor, the main entrance. A little bit of graffiti still up here. There's loose wiring ran in here. They don't have power coming in completely like it's going to be, but they have loose power coming in to where they can run their power, run their equipment. See, this here is different. This has this wing that shoots out here, where the others don't. Yeah, obviously this was a doorway coming through. All right, let's head down to the main floor. Hiya. Hiya. Hey, Bruce. Bruce was here. Bruce, you didn't leave your last name, Cinder. Bruce. All right. Hello, Joshua. Hello, Joshua. We know Joshua. Roscoe B. Coltrane. All right, now we're coming down to the main floor. I call it the main floor. This is the floor where you had your emergency room. And oh my God, let me step out here real quick because this is a new wall. This here is a new wall. Right here was your emergency room entrance into the old hospital. Like I said, new wall. This used to be all open. This was your entrance right here. Let me turn around. Let me go up here and show you. Right here. That was your emergency room entrance into the hospital. They really cleaned this up. They finally got this all out. There was a lot of grass growing up here, garbage growing up through here. They finally had this all cleaned out. We'll work all the way down there then. Saw a big old lizard over here one time. Yeah, they got it cleaned out. I don't know why I'm whispering. Why am I whispering? All right, let's shoot through here. You can see these are the carbon fiber wraps on the concrete pillars. Some are wrapped and some aren't, right? Yeah. Your smaller ones are, your bigger ones aren't. It's just all open through there. I'm going to shoot through here real quick. And show you around this one area. Elevators up here on your left and your right. At one point, the elevators were actually stuck in the elevator shaft. They have since pulled them out. Here's your elevator shaft. Over here to your left, this court area. This was an open court area, I was told. Come out there, sit out there, smoke, hang out, get fresh air. Looks like they painted these here. That's a wall, that's that new wall that they put up. All that, their CRs over here. This is all new over here. Let me come over here real quick. I'll show you that stairwell. As if you want to see the progress of it, I've done multiple videos on it. Feel free to check out the videos. You can see the progress and everything that has happened in this old Air Base hospital. And you can see what's going on. I'm not going to walk back through there. However, I'm going to show you the steps here. You see right here. Oh, there's concrete pillars here to support these steps. These steps are all new.
Yeah.
Like I said, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this floor, and I was told the bottom floor, are going to be your main areas where the people are going to go in the hospital once it's laid out. Like I said, I'm not going to go back in here. What you see is what it is back and through there. However, I'm going to go down the steps since they're built. These are nice. These are nice steps. Did they pour? Yep, they poured it. I was like, did they stop pouring it as we came down? But no. Now we're coming all the way down into the very bottom area. I think, if I'm not mistaken, ooh, big step. This was, oh, Jesus, this was open. This was an open area. There was a tree in here and it was open to the top, to the sky. And they used this area to build the steps going up. Guaranteed. So 1, 2, that'll take you up to the third. Like I said, there may be restaurants and stuff up there on that third floor or places to sit and eat as time progresses. But now we're in the very bottom. The basement. Actually, it's not the very bottom. Right down there. Right down in there. That's a lower level. I have no desire to go down there. This was your area with the dining area was in here, and storage area was in here, and what else was there? There was a lot of things in this area back over here. When the Air Base Hospital was here, I think this was all storage. I'm not going to go back in here. We're going to actually turn around and go the other way. But yeah, the old stairwell going up, probably fire stairs going up. All right, now, can't believe they still have some of these walls up. They must be a structural wall. That's why they're not tearing them down. We'll take a loop. We'll take a loop around, like this wall. Why did they keep this wall up? Why'd they keep that wall up? Maybe they're structural walls. The old kitchen was over here, dining area. Stairwell should be here to the right. Yep, there it is. There's the stairwell. There was a lot. Well, you really couldn't see down here. This was full of walls. There was a ton of walls up still. Now there's your loading docks back in there, all back and through there. Bringing supplies in, goods in, taking stuff out. Here is your shop for the birds. Elevator shafts. I'm just looking. No, that's not an elevator. These are your elevators. Haunted stories of that. All right. Follow the noise. See, here's this here I was talking about from upstairs. That goes all the way up to the very top. What came down through here? You know, what ran down through there? Stairwells. Well, there's a ladder going down. You want to go down, what? You sure? There's a ladder. Like I said, there's another floor down there. I have no desire to go down there. Got them working here. Hello, my friend. Hello. Any lizards? You see any lizards? No? Any snakes? Yeah? Or out here? Before, right? When it was grown up. Yeah. Looks good, guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's drainage pipes. At least that's what I was told. Because when it used to rain in here, it was a mess. See, this has all been filled in. This was dirt. I remember this was dirt through here. They filled all this in, concreted it all. There's a big I-beam right there. Yeah, this is, because I remember you would come down here. I remember this so well. You would come down here. Right down here. And you would get to here. And there was graffiti on the wall that said, help or danger. I forget, something freaky, something weird. And over here, this was all dirt. And down here was a hole. And that hole would take you down to that bottom basement. I remember when I first came to the hospital, I remember climbing down in there. And I was so obsessed with getting down in there. And it was freaky, and it was weird, trust me.
Told you that is like where you bury the body?
Yeah. You know, you hear so many stories. Oh, they buried bodies under there. No, they didn't. They stored bodies under there. Huh?
It's become overstored.
Yeah.
The story is like dangerous.
Yeah.
Something.
Like you hear haunted stories of the hospital and all that. And, well, that's what they are. They're haunted stories. They're scary stories. Do I think that this hospital has spirits in it? Yes. 100%. Yes. Sometimes I've gotten eerie, weird feelings when I've been in here. You know, feelings of sorrow, feelings of, you know, just a heavy burden on my body. But yeah, I believe there's spirits in here, and spirits aren't going to run away because there's construction going on. It doesn't happen like that. Like I said, I'm top to bottom is what we're covering. This is it. This is my last hoorah. I don't know. Let me see what's back here. Cistern, that was it. Somebody said there's an they're going to build an underground cistern in this hospital. Don't know. Don't know. Was it back in here? Back in here is where they were doing a lot of construction, right? Look. This is all new concrete. Remember there was a hole here. This was a big hole in here. And there was rebar in here. Like I said, go back and look at my other videos and you'll see it. This is all new here. That's all dirt through there. There's a hole going downstairs. All right, you ready to go up? Let's go up. Let's work our way out of here. I don't know. I've always loved just coming to this old hospital. I just have. That was one of the first things I sought out when I decided to come up on Clark. I want to go to the old hospital. I want to go check it out. I want to go in it. I want to see what's going on. You know, it just intrigued me. That is it. That is top to bottom. We've covered it. Want to go up these stairs? Yeah, we've done them, Sarah. Let's go up these stairs. We'll take a walk up these steps right here. There is so much that they're still doing to this hospital. This is just phase one. You know, they got to get solid electric ran in here, power in here, walls, plumbing. You know what I'm talking about when it comes to construction. Painting. Whole outside needs painted. Inside's going to get painted. There's a lot of work that needs done. A lot of work. I was told Planetarium is coming in here. Kind of doesn't look like they've done too much since the last time I was in here. The steps they've completed, but everything else, I don't know. Doesn't look like they've done too much. And again, you know, but it's clean, cleaner than what it was. There's a puppy. Huh? Oh, it's going to be beautiful when it's done, but it's not going to be till years from now. It's going to take years. There's a puppy. I don't know, about 10 years. Hot puppy. Hey, calm down, puppies. I thought puppies. These were puppies when one. Remember, they were puppies. Yeah. I first started coming in here. They were puppies.
5 years.
4 or 5 years. Who knows?
3 years.
Phases.
11 years.
So, you know, somebody told me this is going to be a what do you call it? Souvenir place through here. Because the CRs are back here. You guys, here we are. We're coming out the main entrance of the old hospital. All right, this was the main entrance coming in. So I got all that cleaned up over there. Food, waste, paper, plastic. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. That's it. I told you I would get up out here and I'd get out here, give you an update. That's top to bottom. What are we on, like 30 minutes, a half hour? That ain't bad. I'm in here for about 45 minutes is my time limit, you know, on break. But there it is, guys. I'm sad. I'm actually sad. This is one of the things I will miss about living in Angeles City, is coming up on the Clark, the old hospital, seeing the progress of the hospital. Guys, I have explored all around Clark. All around Clark. You name it, I've been there. Once a week, once a month, I would come up and just ride around. Hey, where's this road go? Where's this road go? Oh my God. Hey, where's it? You know, hey, go up to Lily Hill. Been to Lily Hill. I drove out and walked around the old housing units. The old housing units from the military base and everything. Like, I've explored this place for going on what, 8 years now? I watched these big casinos being built on Clark, from a hole in the ground to fully rising. I've seen a lot up here going on. Like I said, I loved coming to the old hospital. To me, it was, I don't know why. I really don't know why. What drew me to the old hospital. But here's the thing, guys, and this is sad. This is sad. You know what? Not a single Angeles City YouTube vlogger came to me and said, hey, you know, Philly, I'd like to keep going on with the hospital, giving people updates. Can you take me along? Can you introduce me to the people that, you know, I need to be introduced to get in and you know, carry on it? Not a single one. And 2 Air Force guys, believe it or not, 2 Air Force retired guys, vloggers in Angeles City, they didn't even want to do it. It's sad. Here's the thing, guys. If it wasn't for Fort Stutzenberg, Fort Stutzenberg was the first fort here on Clark. It wasn't even called Clark at the time. Fort Stutzenberg, along with the United States, came here, worked with the Filipino people. I mean, American and Filipino history was started here on Clark. It was Fort Stutzenberg. Then they put an airfield in, and then they called it Clark. You can look it all up online, the history of it all, you know. And then you had the air base, and then the Japanese came in, and then we recaptured it. I mean, American recaptured it, took it back, and everything ran good till Pinatubo blew, right? There's so much American Philippine history up here on Clark. And here's the thing, guys. If it wasn't for Fort Stutzenberg, now listen, if you don't catch anything out of this that I say, listen to this. If it wasn't for Fort Stutzenberg, however you want to pronounce it, the entertainment district of Angeles City wouldn't exist. Fort Stutzenberg is where it all started. All right, the entertainment district and the millions and millions of dollars that come out of the entertainment district on probably a monthly basis all started up here on Clark. And like I said, it's a shame nobody wanted to pick it up. Nobody. Matter of fact, I had two vets that are vloggers in and around Angeles City tease me about coming up here and doing this. Wow. Anyways, guys, there it is. Hopefully somebody will take it over. Somebody will, you know, find their way in here and get, you know, be able to give people updates on it and stuff. If not, I guess when it opens, it'll be on the news. So there it is, guys. This is my last video up here on Clark at the old air base. And like I said, I will definitely miss coming up here. This is one of the things I will miss. So with that being said, from National Museum of the Philippines, the National Museum of the Philippines, Clark, we shall talk to you later.